Raquel Reed of Jamaica, of Excelsior, as we look at the shot putters there going through their paces.
Yeah, we're going to be switching the action to the Class 1 boys. Shot put prelims, flight 1 this is. Qualifying mark to get to the final, 17 meters. The record for this event, 20.65 meters, set in 2017 by Kevin Nedrick, formerly of Petersfield High School out of Westmoreland.
Here we have the boys shot put Class 1 going on, but we also will have the 70-meter hurdles for the Class 4 girls on track shortly. We'll also have the high jump for Class 1 boys. So lots of action taking place right now. There'll be some 30 boys going at it today in the shot put. That should be Christoph Thompson of Wilma's boys there. They're trying to get up over 17 meters to automatically qualify for the finals. They're using the 6 kg shot put. And if they cannot get Christoph Thompson, Wilma's boys there, if they can't get 12 over 17 meters, he did 12.35 meters, then they take the top 12 performers.
Round 1. It is Dwight Fraser of Sydney Pagan now in the circle. 17 meters, we told you. Qualifying mark to get to the final.
Coach Wilson, who are the strongest boys in the sport? Is it the shot putters, the discus throwers, the javelin throwers, the hammer throwers? Where do you put the strength?
I would think it's the shot put throwers. The discus throwers, they have a lot of bulk, but in terms of power, the shot put requires power and speed. So in terms of gym strength potential, possibly. But I think it could be a parallel or a line between the discus and the shot.
All right, 13.91 meters there. If we get a chance in the production area, I'd love to show the viewers how the athletes enter the shot put circle and how they exit it.
Rajiv Graham of St. George's College. Wait for his measurement.
All right, and we'll get the distance. So if we stay on that shot, up next from St. Jago,
Daryl Mighty it's going to be.
Right. So he can enter the circle any which way he wants. He chooses to enter the circle from the front. And that's important because there's no limit to how you can enter the circle, but there's a serious restriction on how you can exit the circle. You notice his back is turned to the stop board where he's going to be throwing. He spins as fast as he can, pushes as hard as he can. If we can get back to him quickly, maybe for the next athlete, because we just missed how he exited the circle. Those 2 white lines on the side, either side of the circle, you have to exit behind those 2 white lines.
And that flag will not be raised until the exit is done.
All right, so let's see, after Lowain Blackwood of Clarendon College, who should be up next after he exits, or after he throws, if we can see. Again, you don't have to enter from the front. That stop board is there to make sure they can have, I guess, kind of balance when they throw.